Hello guys, welcome. In today's video, I am going to give you the first exercise of chapter 5. In this exercise, you have to apply if-else condition on list data type. So, you have to check the specific item which is present in the list by using if-else. So, if you find this element in the list, so you can print here it is present. So, if it is not present in the list, you can directly print it is not present. So it is the simple exercise of this chapter. I hope you can try. In next video I will provide its solution. Thank you very much for watching.